Hello everyone, welcome back to the vlog. Today we're currently here in the PP Islands and we are about to take a boat over to Monkey Island to see plenty of monkeys. So yeah, let's go. Right guys, I'm on the boat now. This is it here. We're just leaving the bay now, over to Monkey Island. Engine started. It gets a bit bumpy on board. We have come up to some like cave kind of thing here.
Right there.
The driver has gave me a pillow. Okay guys, so this is Maya Bay. This is where the movie The Beach was actually filmed. Okay guys, so I've just got out of the water from swim with all the fish. Lots of them there. And now we're on our way to Monkey Island, so let's go. Right guys, we're just coming up to Monkey Island now. I can see a few. This will be cool. Right guys, so just got off the boat now. I should smell when we get to the boat. Look at him guys, hello. Check him out. Wow. That's with no zoom, by the way, guys. That's exactly how close I am to it. The size of him out. What in the world? Wow. Look at him how big he is. Crazy. That one's being naughty and tipping all the rubbish out. Alright guys, so we are now leaving Monkey Island, so this is the end of the vlog. I hope you enjoyed, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Goodbye.